Hi everybody, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff Couple.
Oh.
We're hauling for your success, and we want to say Merry Christmas. We are so excited. This is going to be your year, isn't it, honey?
That's right. We're here to just wish you guys Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, get you excited about this upcoming new year. What's the greatest gift you could give yourself this year? The gift of commitment. And really being committed to your real estate investing. Because when you think about it, there's nothing that's going to change your life the way real estate investing can. And that means committing to 7 to 10 hours a week. And we want you to set goals of how many closing calls per month?
20 minimum,
Yes.
50 optimum.
And also get out there and see 4 to 8 houses per month. If you were doing that, you would have an unbelievably great year. We've been talking about roles a lot this year. You're going to have your new role of being a successful real estate investor. So we want you to be thinking that and saying that and chanting that and defining that for yourself every day with the actions that you take. You're following our training, our success training, our step-by-step checklist, and all of our great scripts when you're talking to anybody, right, hon?
That's right.
So commit to those goals, commit to the 7 to 10 hours a week. We are going to support you in every way we can.
That's right.
Maybe you'll be coming to one of our events this year or getting some really great system from us, just connecting with us in whatever way you can.
Now we're going to finish off with a very special Christmas treat.
So, yay! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.